Rama's Army, a story about sincerity, adapted from Tales of All Times by the Mother. The monkeys and bears of Hanuman's army fought for Lord Rama and his brother Lakshmana against Ravana, the 10-headed demon. Weakening under the blows of the warriors who were attacking him from every side, Ravana made use of his magic. Suddenly, at his side, among the demons, many Ramas and many Lakshmanas magically appeared. They were in truth nothing but false and deceptive appearances. But the monkeys and the bears, taking them for real people, halted in confusion. How could they continue the fight and go on throwing trees and rocks against Rama and Lakshmana, their beloved leaders? Seeing their dismay, the demon Ravana gave a smile of cruel delight. Rama smiled too. What pleasure he would take in destroying such a falsehood, in exposing the trickery, in gaining victory for the truth. He fitted an arrow to his mighty bow and shot. The arrow whizzed through the misleading shadows, which immediately dissolved. At last, Hanuman's army could see clearly, and their courage revived. Similarly, every straight word from a sincere person is like an arrow that can destroy much falsehood and hypocrisy.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.